Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple phone numbers? One for work, one for personal use, or even one for a side hustle? It can be a real hassle to keep track of all those numbers and switch between them. That's where Ooma comes in. But can you actually have two numbers with Ooma? Let's find out. Imagine a scenario where you're trying to keep your work and personal life separate. Or perhaps you're running a small business and need a dedicated line for customer inquiries. Wouldn't it be great if you could have multiple numbers associated with a single phone? Well, with Ooma, it's possible. Understanding Ooma. Let's start by understanding what Ooma is. It's a VoIP, voice over internet protocol, service that allows you to make and receive phone calls using the internet instead of traditional landlines. One of the key benefits of Ooma is its flexibility. Multiple numbers with Ooma. So, can you have two numbers with Ooma? Absolutely. Ooma offers a feature called number porting that allows you to transfer your existing phone number to your Ooma account. This means you can keep your current number and add a second Ooma number. How to set up multiple numbers. Setting up multiple numbers with Ooma is relatively straightforward. Here's a basic outline of the process. Create an Ooma account. If you don't have one already, sign up for an Ooma account. Port your existing number. If you want to keep your current number, initiate the porting process with your current provider and provide Ooma with the necessary information. Add a second Ooma number. Once your existing number is ported, you can add a second Ooma number. Ooma provides a variety of area codes and number options to choose from. Configure your devices. Set up your phones or other devices to use your Ooma numbers. You can use the Ooma app or configure your devices manually. Benefits of multiple Ooma numbers. Having multiple numbers with Ooma offers several advantages. Privacy and separation. Keep your work and personal calls separate, ensuring privacy and avoiding distractions. Business professionalism. Establish a dedicated line for your business, giving it a professional and trustworthy image. Flexibility and convenience. Manage multiple phone lines from a single device, making it easier to stay connected. Cost-effective. Ooma's pricing plans are often more affordable than traditional landlines, especially when you need multiple numbers. Addressing potential questions. Can I use my Ooma numbers on my mobile phone? Yes, you can use Ooma numbers on your mobile phone by downloading the Ooma app. Can I forward calls between my Ooma numbers? Yes, you can set up call forwarding rules to automatically route calls between your Ooma numbers. Are there any limitations to using multiple Ooma numbers? There may be some limitations depending on your specific plan and usage. It's always a good idea to review Ooma's terms of service for detailed information. In conclusion, having two numbers with Ooma is a convenient and flexible option for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you need to separate your work and personal life or establish a dedicated line for your business, Ooma provides the tools to make it happen. With its easy setup, affordable pricing, and a variety of features, Ooma is a great choice for anyone looking to manage multiple phone numbers. So, if you're tired of juggling multiple devices or want to add a new number to your existing setup, consider Ooma. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.